One love, one heart. Let's get together.
Yeah, my people, Zara Healthy Living once more again. Yeah, man. Right now, we are coming with some all-in-one. You know? It's a little simple little pot, you know, but I tell you, nice. You know, the man will just live by themselves and they don't want to put no 3-4 pot. Just a 1 pot. I eat this man. Yeah, man, see the yam we are cut up, you know. So yam in the pot, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, the coconut juice and thing I cook down, you know. Yeah, man. Then we have the coconut juice. We have the pumpkin, sweet potato, Irish potato. And watch again, see the okra them, man. Yeah, man. All of them things now come together, man, and you know, to give I will eating, man. Zara Healthy Living, you know, man. Yeah, man. Right, that's right there, man. Just look out for it, just like and subscribe. Yeah, man. Just thump on the big finger down there, so I love it. And just comment and share. And man, see it, you know, okra and everything inside there. Yeah, we are going to put in some spice in there now. Season, onion, pepper, scallion, sweet pepper, garlics. Yeah, man, a natural living in a man. No eat artificial, no. And we call this, you know, everything down. One down. One down, man. When you get this, you don't want to finish. That is it. You know, yes, man. See there, see there, see there, see there. Ready to eat right away. Enough okra. Whole pack coconut juice. Yeah, man. Whole pack vegetable, you know. Round this, out and ball, out and ball.